Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial sessions. In these videos, I will show you how to use the Chrome key features in CapCut, how to apply ready-made templates, how to add background music to your projects, and how to enhance your video using filter to make it look more attractive and professional. Finally, I'll also guide you through the last step, which is exporting your finished project properly. By the end of this tutorial, I'll be able to create a complete and polished video using CapCut in a simple and effective way. So, let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we must do is opening the CapCut. After that, just click create the projects. Okay, then import. I've just downloaded this breaking news pictures. Then I import again the video that I have just made. I click. Okay, the first is I click the background first to make it wider, yeah, the pictures, and then the second I put in my video. Okay, the next step, we click these pictures, my videos, and then directly going to remove background. Okay, choose the Chrome key and then directly point to the videos. Okay, you can see. To make it clearer, I move it. I move it to make it the background is black. Then the intensity, okay, the intensity I adjust it. Okay, to make it the best, the best pictures, the best body. Then I also use the shadow. It's not to effect, I think. And then the video itself. Oh yeah, I see it. So many changes. I put it into 100. Okay, and then I adjust the clean up edge. Okay, which one you want to choose? Okay, to make it clearer, I choose the 50x. It depends on the pictures. Then I wanna cut it first because my video is not perfect, because there are so many, because I record by myself, yeah. Okay, to make it better, I cut some of the videos. Okay, this one is perfect, I think. Then I cut, I drag it, and then the end of the videos, you saw I grab something there. I put off, turn off the videos by myself. Okay, then I cut the videos. Okay, now I have this video. Hello classmate, this is your campus news update. Okay, then I drag the pictures background pictures along with my video ya. Okay, then I put it a better positions here. Better position. Because I see my pictures not clean enough. Okay, I try to click the filter, then I choose the upper hammers.
We would like to inform all students that
you can see my picture is clearer than before. Okay, I have the videos and also I have the background. Okay, to make it my videos better, I've just choose the filter, yeah, and then I click the plus, and then I drag it to the position of the end of my videos. Okay, when I click and play.
Hello classmate, this is your campus news update. We would like to inform.
Okay, then I put some songs. You can use the audio here, and then you can just type news song, and you can just choose which one do you want. Put it, and I adjust my voice with the song, yeah, to make it my voice is better, louder than the music. Okay, first I adjust the audio of my voice. Okay, I edit full, yeah. Then I go to the musics. Then I adjust the volume of the music with my voice, yeah.
Hello classmate, this is your campus news update. We would like to inform all students that take the TEL course assignment must be completed within this week. The required tasks include finishing your Google Site project, completing your email class points, creating a morph transition project in PowerPoint along with its tutorials, and producing tutorial project.
Okay, after that I click the opening. I can click the template itself, yeah, and then I type news opening. Okay, let's check first from here.
Hello classmate, this is your campus news update.
Okay, and then we can also we can also choose the end of the news by clicking also ending, news ending. Okay then. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not in these positions. It should be in the end. I put it in the end, yeah. Okay, now about the song I ended, I reduce it to the ending clip, yeah. Okay, let's check first. Yeah.
Hello classmate, this is your campus news update. We would like to inform all students that take the TEL course assignment must be completed.
Okay, let's check the end of the videos. Okay, after
within this week. Bye bye.
Okay then, after all finish, directly export and finish. Okay, that's all guys, what I can share today. I hope it will useful for us, and then see you in the next episode, in the next tutorial. Bye bye, see you.
Hello classmate, this is your campus news update. We would like to inform all students that take the TEL course assignment must be completed within this week. The required tasks include finishing your Google Site project, completing your email class points, creating a morph transition project in PowerPoint along with its tutorials, and producing tutorial project using CapCut and Filmora. These activities are designed with an important purpose. The aim to prepare students to become creative graduates who are ready to adapt to modern educational demands. The skill you develop through these tasks are not only technical ability, but also valuable asset that can be used later as teaching materials in your professional careers. Okay, don't forget to accomplish all the tasks within this week. Bye bye.